Hey guys, today I will be pouring colors and swirling around and tilting on a 24 by 36 inch canvas. And actually what I'm going to do, I don't know if you guys saw the video that I did on New Year's called Swirl Baby. Well, basically I'm going to try that technique again, except on a rectangular canvas. And I'm going to be using different colors. I'm going for white, brilliant purple, dioxide purple, my cat just won't move, desert turquoise, and I'm trying for the first time, well, not DecoArt for the first time, but it's called Extreme Sheen 24K Gold, which I find is pretty funny. But yeah, I'm gonna try this one out for the first time and let's see how that works out. So now I just got back from work, that's why my hair is down, but I've started setting up the art room and I am going to finish that up, position my camera, and I am going for this. This is about an hour later, and I'm really loving it. The gold took over, but not too much. It's perfect. And it's so shiny. And I really love that line in between the purple and there's like white and then gold and then there's blurriness. I think that line is my favorite part in the whole painting. And of course the gold reacted like crazy. That 24K gold. I'm really loving this piece. Hooked on negative space. All right, stay tuned for the dried result. All right, you guys, so the painting is completely dried and it's looking pretty. It's perfectly smooth everywhere. It dried really well, and this stayed. I'm super happy about that part. I love it. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour some of my turquoise in this area here to cover it up a bit. And I'm using turquoise because there's just a little bit in the painting here and there, and I'm thinking it's going to balance it out. So I'm going to try and fill up the whole corner. Back with the final result, and this painting was varnished with gloss varnish, and I added some gold at the top there also after the turquoise. If you're wondering why I added that, it's because my client found there was too much white in there, so I'm finding it kind of cool, right? So pretty. Now I'm going to switch it around, and you guys can tell me if you want in the comments which side do you prefer. It's hard to say, right? I think I prefer the other one. And the turquoise looks a bit darker from this angle because of the lighting. It's so pretty. Hope you guys like this. Have a good one.